JJTHC.com is the place to go for a custom-built website, custom graphic design work, and for promotional videos for your business or personal use. Check the link in the description below to get pricing. How's everybody doing? This is Joey from JJTHC, and welcome to my video where I show you what is inside the Apple Earpods. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Getting right into it, we're just going to go ahead and, crack this thing open, see what's inside. So the first thing I'm going to use is a knife around this seam right here. I'm just going to go ahead and try and cut it open. Okay, so I decided I'm going to get some pliers and try and just crack it open now. So, here we go. Alright, we're in. So I cracked it open right here, as you can see. I'm just going to go ahead and just pry it open now. Alright, so we got the cap, I don't know what you want to call it, cap off. There's a lot of marks from the pliers, but we got in. So you can actually go ahead and take like a knife and get in under this plastic. So you can go ahead and get under that, gray plastic, and you can actually take this out. Has the little protector grill and everything, and then you still have this white piece here. Which you can go ahead and pop right out if you want to. And there it goes. So actually looking more into the Earpod, here is the speaker. I'm pretty sure, I'm not an expert on this. I am just going off of what it looks like it is, so correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. So this is the speaker protector or something, so we have to go in, try and get this off. Alright, so this is pretty interesting. On the bottom of this is a little piece of metal that is stuck to this, I don't know what it is, but I think it's like paper. Oops. Where'd it go? There it is. And there's just like this piece of metal here. I'm not really sure what it does. But moving forward, getting more into it, here is inside without the protective paper. So we're gonna just take this out, hopefully. Oh, this is a magnet. So right here is a magnet. I can feel it because of my my knife. Okay, so I just got a ring off of it. Pretty cool. Alright, moving more deeper into the actual Earpod. Alright, look at this. So inside of here, we have all the wiring, and here is the actual speaker. Like, this is the actual speaker right here. There's the wiring, the speaker. Turn around, that's the front of the speaker. And there it goes all the way down. It goes through here and down this little shaft here and comes out right here with the cord all the way to your phone. And so I'm just gonna rip these out of here. So here's the speaker. And here's the rest of the shell. Let's crack open the shell even some more. Alright, so I just completely took the white casing that everything is in out. Here is the cable that runs down the white protective shaft, and here is another, I don't know, placeholder to keep everything in place right here. So let's go ahead and cut this open. And there are the cables. So that about concludes the, destroying part. Let's take another look at all the parts here. So if we take, here is our plastic shell. Everything is pretty much destroyed because that's the only way we can get into these, and getting in these completely destroys it and makes it unusable. So here's the shell. I'm just gonna put this here. Next is the speaker that came out. And here are the wires that go in the shell. And then we had our paper protector and metal bit. I don't know. Put that right there. Had a little metal ring. The cord, the rubber that goes down with the cables in it. And your little protective grill that protects little particles to get into the speaker. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Go check out all my links down right here, especially Twitter, because that's where you can find behind the scenes and special update information. This has been Joey from JJTHC, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya!